All right, hey everybody. So here is your video that will help you do the 4 problems on the assignment for Thursday. Again, if you want to do your assignment for Thursday and your Friday quiz all in the same day, do it on Thursday, be done with it, you can do that. So be aware of that. So basically what we're doing here is we're going to solve for x. It's going to be a quick little video, and then you can do your worksheet and you'll be done for the day. So we're solving for x. First thing we want to do is look for something on the same side of the equal sign that's not touching the x. So in this case, that would be a positive 5. So basically we need to move that positive 5 to the other side. And we're going to do that by doing the opposite of plus 5. So we're going to subtract 5. But if I do something on one side, I have to do it to the other. That's going to leave me 3x. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 17 minus 5 equals 12. Now guys, if you learned a different way to organize this, that's fine. But I do want you to show your work. It doesn't matter how your work is organized as long as it's there. If you do your work, I'll be able to figure out what you did. So next we have a 3 with this x. Well, there's really multiplication going on between that 3 and that x. We don't see it, but that's what's going on. And the opposite or the inverse of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. And then 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. So that is my final answer. All right, so let's do this next one. So again, we're looking for things on the same side as the x. And I didn't mention that on the first one, but let's talk about this on this one. So we have a 2 and a 3. So we know this is going to take us 2 steps to get rid of everything, to get x by itself. Again, we're not going to deal with what's touching the x. We're going to deal with what's off to the side. It's a plus 3, so we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. That leaves me 2x equals 6. Remember, a number touching a variable means there's multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 3, and x equals 3. Realize this, guys, you will no longer see division written like that. I don't know if you did last year or not, but you will not. Now it's going to look like a fraction, so just keep that in mind. All right, so 2 more. A little different because these have subtraction instead of addition, but we still do the opposite of what we see. So if this side is subtracting 1, we're going to add 1 to both sides. These are going to cancel. That's going to leave me 7x equals 14. Just like we did up on these steps here, we're going to divide both sides by 7. And that's going to be x equals 2. There that is. And then on this one, we're going to add 8. Add 8. So this is going to be 4x equals 20. Next, we need to divide by 4 to get rid of that 4. And x equals 5. Now, guys, I know I kind of went really fast through this. Again, this isn't necessarily a lesson where we learn how to do this. We would take that much slower. This is a lesson on how to do a worksheet on Canvas and then submit it. Remember, when you're finished with your worksheet, take a picture of it. You can email me the picture, preferably send it to me, submit it through Canvas. But if you can't figure that out, I will take an email from you. And then again, take your quiz for Friday, and that is it. Make sure you submit the assignment and the quiz. Thanks.